If you live in New York and need an official ID but don't drive, you can apply for a non-driver ID at the DMV. It works just like a regular ID, and you can get one no matter your age, as long as you have legal status in the US. To start, gather your documents. Everyone needs to show proof of their date of birth, plus a social security card or proof that they're not eligible for one. If you're under 21, a parent or guardian can help confirm your identity by filling out a form called the MV45. They'll need to bring their own ID and sign the form in front of someone at the DMV. If the person getting the ID is under 16, the parent can apply on their behalf using the same form and must bring the child's documents. Before you go, use the DMV's pre-screening tool. It helps you figure out exactly what documents to bring. You'll need a need.gov account for that, but it only takes a minute to create. Or, if you prefer, you can use the document guide on the DMV site to see everything required. This process has to be done in person at a DMV office. So once you have all your papers and the application fee ready, just head over to your local office. After you apply, they'll give you a temporary ID that's good for 60 days. Your permanent card will come in the mail, but it might take a little longer than usual due to delays. That's all you need to know to get a New York non-driver ID.